What up, YouTube? I'm going to do a voiceover for you and start off with a little professional. Get that all rubbed in there. Get those pores filled in, man. Now we're going to spray with some Photo Focus Smashbox Primer Water. Get it nice and ready for some foundation, which is Revolution Conceal and Define. 7.5 is my shade. I'm going to get that worked in with my Love is the Foundation brush from It Cosmetics and then bounce the rest of the way in with my Beauty Blender. I'm going to do some under eye color correction with my Bobbi Brown under eye corrector in Bisque. Next comes the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer and the creamy Tarte Shape Tape concealer combined with the Baby Beauty Blender, getting that all smoothed out under there. Next, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and I'm just going to set down my concealer with that same Baby Beauty Blender. Oh, we got to deal with the settling in the lines here first. Then we're going to use the Too Faced Peach Perfect. Tastes good, smells good, looks good. Now that everything is nice and set and matte, I'm going to go in with my MAC paint pots in Painterly and Soft Ochre to put down a base for my eyeshadow, a nice eyeshadow primer. And to set that primer, some Laura Mercier powder, just powder, pressed powder. And now it's time for some butter bronzer. Get some color back in that face now. Now it's time for some beautiful blush. I'm going to use my Lorac Beauty and the Beast. Nice little cheek palette there. So we're going to go in with some rosiness for my cheekers. And I have no idea what happened to the color on my shirt here. What? Now I'm getting that glow going with my Cookie highlighter from Benefit. Woo, it's one of those pretty ones. Pretty. Glowing and shining like a new dime, girl. It is now Build-A-Brow time. And I will kick things off with my NYX Micro Brow in Chocolate. I always use the darkest color on the outer part, a combination of the light and the dark in the middle, and then the lightest color on the most inner part of my eyebrow. Now I'll be going in with my brow blade in Brunette Betty by Urban Decay to put in some hair strokes in those areas where I really don't have any natural brow hair. I always like to take a Q-tip and just clean that inner area, kind of smooth it out a little, and then go with one final brush through before I get my brow mascara, my tinted brow mascara by NYX, just to set everything into place. Ooh, good gravy. Now that is a process. Oh, how I love the Naughty Palette by BH Cosmetics. Let me count the ways. I'm going to go in with this cream shade to go right up underneath and carve out my eyebrows. Now we're going in with this warm light brown transition shade called Frosting to get that crease going. Next, I'm taking that same shade on my lower lash line. Next, I'll be going in with a deeper shade of warm brown to go ahead and deepen up the outer corner and give that area some dimension. I'm also taking that color into the inner corner of my eye and going across the crease in order to start to create the halo. I always like to take the brush with the previous color to go ahead and blend out the edges and blend those two colors together. Next, I'll be using an even darker, deeper color, a chocolatey brown, to go ahead and further deepen out the outer corner and the inner corner and across the crease. Again, I'm using the initial brush to go in and blend those three colors together a little bit. I'm applying that same dark chocolate shade to my lower lash line as well. And then using the previous brush to blend that out. Time for a golden champagne shimmer for the lid and my poor fingernail that I had just painted that morning. Now just blending with the beginning brush to smooth that out. Next, we're going to use that beautiful icy shade for an inner corner highlight. Next, it's time to get a little bit of curl in those straight eyelashes. Now it's time to make those beautiful, bold wings. Now I'll be working on those eyelashes, starting with the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash on my lower lashes. When I'm not wearing falsies, I like to use this Sales Booster XL by Lancome to put a little bit of a primer on my upper lashes to build them up so it looks like I actually have some. Now I'm going to switch gears for a moment onto the lips using the Hush Hush Plump Line Lip Liner by Buxom and this beautiful matte lipstick from the Pure Barbie line in that beautiful packaging. Now on my top lashes, I'll be using the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. This is the final look. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Glamour Shot. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.